audio spectrum visualization in Capcut PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Capcut, and after that open up the elements and search for audio visualization. Here you can get different audio visualizations either in sticker or photos or videos. Video would be better, so simply drag and drop this video, and here you can get this one. Now we need to remove the green screen in order to make it look better. For that, just simply select Smart Tools, and here you get this option of remove background. Simply select it, then select the option of chroma key, and here select this dropper, and it will select the color that you want to remove. So we want to remove this green color, so we will select green and it will be removed. Now we can play around with the intensity and the shadow in order to make it look even more real. Close it up and set it accordingly. Now when it plays, you can see that this is how it will look. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.